Hey guys, Jill here from Excavate Tech. Today I want to talk to you about watering your outdoor birds. I love nothing more than sitting with a cup of coffee and watching my birds enjoy their food and their water that I provided for them. I bought this bird bath heater last year. This bird bath heater is game changer for your wild birds. They no longer have to eat snow to hydrate themselves. They can just come, grab a quick drink of water, and off they go. I absolutely love it, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your wild birds as much as I do.